Hi everyone, today we're going to be looking at the EasyPLC Factory Editor Robotic Cell Editions. Now, detailed information contained in the video can be found at accautomation.ca. The link has been put in the description below. If you have not watched the other videos yet, there'll be links in the description below that will start you at video 1. There'll be links to the rest of the videos in the series as well. So up on my screen I have the Machine Simulator from EasyPLC up here. And you will see that we are going to be modifying one of the machines, and that machine will be the engine loading, which is 13 right here. So the first thing we will do is go to the directory in which the machines are stored, which is actually in my case here on D drive under Nartec, Machine Simulator 3, and My Machines. And what you'll see is down here, you'll see the engine loading, which is 13. So I just basically control copy those two, and then I moved it into the original file over here so I don't lose the original as I modify this machine. So once we have that, then what we'll do is go to the editor, and under the editor we will do the factory 1 editor. So we'll hit start, and this will bring up, and this will allow you to actually modify the actual scene that we have. So this is the editor, so we'll hit the file and open, and there's my original folder there. So what we're going to do is go down to 13, which is my engine loading, and we will hit load. So currently right now this is the actual machine that we have that we want to program, and what we want to do is actually create a panel over here that we can use some push buttons with. So I'm just going to move over here and give me some room, and that's where we're going to put a panel right here. So let's go down onto the tools, and we will see that they're under the general. We just have a panel itself right here, and we will actually put that onto our scene. What we'll do is move that up, and then we'll move this forward and then over, so you can actually control exactly where it is. And we're going to just attach that right to the panel, so just as it goes through the wall there, so it looks like it's actually attached. So that will be our machine, and then we want to edit some of the buttons that are on here, and we're going to program in the green, the red, the yellow, and the emergency stop here. So we'll go to the digital inputs, and our green button here, we will select these 3 dots, and we will assign it to 4. The red button, we'll assign it to 5. The yellow button to 6, and then finally, if we look down here, emergency stop, we will assign that to 7. So once we have that saved, then we go File, Save, and now our machine has now been saved to that same file. And now we can exit out of here, and we'll exit to the main. And what we'll do is go back into our start. We will now call up our engine loading again, and we'll go to the demo. And when that demo calls up, you will see now that we have our panel, and we have the push buttons on that panel that are visible. So here's my demo mode, and I'm viewing my I/O, and you can see here, as I were to hit the buttons, and we will just cursor over, and we will go to that panel, there we go. We can see that we can actually hit these buttons, and they will actually then correspond to what we've just programmed. So anytime that we need to modify or change something within the EasyPLC Machine Simulator, we can easily do that and then communicate so that we can modify anything that we have existing. So that's why this package is such a great feature, that we can actually do these kind of things. Now, if you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button below. If you have any questions about the video, please leave a comment below and I'll do my best to answer it. If you want more information about us, or you want our free ebooks on numbering systems or robust data logging, please click on the link in the description below to get it. A new video is put out every Monday, so make sure you hit the subscribe button so you get more videos like this in the future. Remember to click the bell beside your subscription to actually receive those notifications. And what we'll do is just exit from this one, and just to show you those buttons actually working, we will go to the actual setup. So we'll go back to the machines, go to the engine load, we'll go to start, and we'll actually see, without anything running here, we'll view the I/O, and now we'll just go over to those buttons. There we go. And we will try the green button, try the red, the yellow, and our emergency, and everything works as it should. Okay, thanks so much for watching. I'll see you next time. Stay safe.